So for a given function, we've learned that the domain of that function is the set of all allowable inputs, the set of all of the values of the independent variable that we can plug into our function to come up with a value. But if we're going to talk about the allowable inputs so much, it's also probably important for us to learn about the possible outputs, the values that the function can equal. The set of all possible outputs of a function is called its range. And how might we find the range? Well, we can figure out what the range is by plugging in all the different values of the independent variable that are in the domain. Once we covered all of those, we will have covered all the values that are in the range. So the domain then is associated with the independent variable, like x in this case and in many other cases, and the range is associated with dependent variables, like f of x. For each of these different variables, the domain and the range basically state what values the corresponding variables can take on. So considering this definition of the range, what do you think the range of this function is? Remember, this is just the set of all the different values for the function, or all the different vertical coordinates, spanned in this graph itself.